back, fam. Today I am going to share with you a labor of love. We are designing Arya's competition t-shirts. I came up with the idea, I designed it, and somehow made it come to life. But let me tell you, it was not easy. It was a journey, and I'm gonna take y'all with me from the design stage to it coming to fruition. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe so you know when we post. First, I looked up several different shirts on Etsy. I combed through some groups to get inspiration for this design. All of them had a gymnast doing a pose. So I already have Canva Pro. So I used Canva Pro 100% for this design, for finding images, and of course, like the wording and all of that all come from Canva Pro. Creating this actually took several months because I kept going back and forth on if I was going to design a t-shirt for competitions. Her very first competition, I was supposed to have a shirt created. And I decided I didn't want to do it because, again, it is a labor of love. It's not very simple, even though this video may make it look easy. Not to mention that we had just moved, so our heat press and cutter are pretty much wrapped up at this point. But we decided to dust off the heat press at least and go to someone else to print the design after I was finished to bring this to life because I really wanted to show love and support for Arya and at her gymnastics competition. I chose a black background to help me see the design better, but at the end of designing, always remove the background completely and save it as a SVG because you don't want the background to show up on the shirt. So I am just using the black background to be able to see how I want the design to look. The same thing with the letters. I wanted just a bold concept to see everything, but it was definitely giving Jordan logo. This is the final design, and I think it turned out beautiful. We contacted a local presser to print off the design. I didn't want to pay for a t-shirt. Paying for one t-shirt, okay, to have somebody press, design, all that is like $35. I was like, I just need the design. I could do the rest. And $35 for one t-shirt was out of my budget. We got some cheap blanks from Michael's, and once we received the sheet, the gang sheet, we we then just pressed our own shirts. I think the shirts from Michael's was like $5. They weren't crazy expensive. So we came out a lot cheaper getting 5 shirts compared to if we were paying $35 for one. Literally waiting for 1 degree. It's been sitting like this for like 5 minutes. Don't piss me off. It's been a while, huh? Back up. That's hot. Back up.
What's Daddy doing?
Pressing shirts.
Let me look on his phone.
He's looking at directions.
Why does he need directions?
All right.
This is going on the front or the back?
It's going on the front.
Okay, just want to make sure.
Back up. I need y'all to back up.
Hey, back up.
Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing.
Oh, you know what?
What?
We gotta change the pressure. It's supposed to be medium to high pressure. That might be too much pressure. There we go. And then we gotta do it again.
But you don't take it off yet. It needs more time.
Cook some.
It ain't even bubbled up yet. Moment of truth. You can't do that. That's all right. Wow. All right, now you gotta put it on.
Ready?
What size is yours?
Large. I couldn't find the extra large. Okay, we did it. And it matches your shorts. Hey. So it's easier to.
Okay. Hold on, let me get back up. Just a little bit so I'm like zoomed all the way out. Okay.
We did it.
The parents. Comment below and tell us how we did. And would you do this for your kids? Okay, because it's a labor of love. All right. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe.